Imagine stepping into your backyard and picking fresh fruit, herbs, and vegetables grown naturally with little effort. A backyard food forest isn't just a garden, it's a thriving ecosystem. But is it worth the effort? Let's find out. A food forest is a self-sustaining garden that mimics natural ecosystems. Unlike traditional vegetable gardens, it includes layers, fruit trees, shrubs, vines, herbs, and ground cover to create a balanced regenerative system. Why should you grow a food forest? First, it reduces grocery costs and provides fresh organic food. Second, it improves soil health and supports biodiversity. Third, it requires less maintenance over time as nature takes over. Starting your food forest is easier than you think. Choose a sunny spot. Start with fruit trees as your upper layer. Add shrubs and vines, then ground cover. Mulching and companion planting will help build a thriving system. Every garden has its challenges. Pests, space limitations, and learning curves can be obstacles. But with permaculture principles and a little patience, your food forest will flourish. The backyard food forest isn't just a source of food. It's a long-term investment in sustainability. Are you ready to transform your backyard into a thriving paradise? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and start planting your future today.